Picture the word. Subscribe to the word. Comment to the word. Give me a big heart where you see on that thing. One move. I'm going to take it out of your grant. See that? Take a look. I tell me say G say we out and bad. We thumping. Them suck me and it tick like a dumpling. Wanna think. Take a look. Pronounce the word there. Tell me. Talk to me. Smile with me. And give me a big heart. Again, Stylo G say, we out something then tick like a. Alright. An explosion, you see that? If you don't fuck around, me look at change, me just explode, you know. Feel like when you can't take me look lunge that mash. I want to, you know. Want move again. I gotta do like a blue clot rock. It's Lego pipe with gas. We say we out bad. Taunted. The Stylo G say, go and grow them Kyle and make them thick like dumpling.